Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are well. Okay children, what did you learn in the previous class? Religions. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism completed. Now I am going to tell you about Jainism. See here children, this is a Jainism flag. Jainism is one of the most ancient religions that originated in India. Mahavira was considered as the founder of Jainism. Who was founder of Jainism? Mahavira was considered as the founder of Jainism. People who practice Jainism as their religion are called Jains. What are called Jains, children? People who practice Jainism as their religion are called Jains. The word Jain is taken from the word Jinnah. The word Jain is taken from the word Jinnah. See here, children, which stands for the one of concrete world passion like desire, hatred, angry, greed, pride, jealousy, etc. Okay, Jainism. Mahavira was considered as the founder of Jainism. Jainism is one of the most ancient religions that originated in India. People who practice Jainism as their religion are called Jains. The word Jain is taken from the word Jinnah, which stands for the one who conquered worldly passion like desire, hatred, anger, greed, pride, jealousy, etc. Jains do not believe in God. Agamas and Kalpasutra are some of their holy scriptures. What are Jainism holy scriptures? Agamas and Kalpasutra are some of their holy scriptures. Right belief, right conduct and right knowledge are the three gems of Jainism. What are three gems of Jainism? Right belief, right conduct and right knowledge are the three gems of Jainism. One sect of Jain monks, Digambaras, do not wear clothes. Digambaras do not wear clothes. The monks and nuns who wear white clothes belong to another sect, Svatambara. One sect, Digambaras, another sect, Svatambaras. As believers of non-violence, Jains care even for very small creatures. They wear masks over their face to prevent inhaling of any small insects, to prevent stepping on any insects while walking. They sweep the floor. In India, the famous Jain temple or the Dilwar temple. Where is the famous Jain temple in India? What is the Jain temple? Dilwar temple. The magnificent, gigantic statue of the Jain saint, 57 feet tall. Jain saint tall, statue of the Jain saint tall, 57 feet. Lord Gauteshwara or Bahubali is at Sravana Belagola, Karnataka. Where is located Bahubali Gauteshwara, Karnataka state? Sravana Belagola, Karnataka. Gauteshwaram Bahubali is at Sravana Belagola, Karnataka. In India, the famous Jain temple are the Dilwar temple. Next, see here children, three pictures. Mahavir Jayanti, Akshaya Tritiya, Kartika Purnima and Diwali are some of the festivals that are celebrated by Jains. What are Jains festivals, children? Mahavir Jayanti, Akshaya Tritiya, Kartika Purnimi and Diwali are some of the festivals that are celebrated by Jains. Okay children? Next religion, Zoroastrianism. See here children, this is a Zoroastrianism symbol and Zoroastrianism flag. Zoroaster was the founder of Zoroastrianism. Who was the founder of Zoroastrianism? Zoroaster. The followers of this religion are Zoroastrians. Followers called Zoroastrians in India. In India, these people are called Parsis. Zoroaster was the founder of Zoroastrianism. The follower of this religion are Zoroastrians. In India, these people are called Parsis. Parsis believe in one and the only supreme power, Ahura Mazda, and Jan Avesta. This is a scared book. What is the scared book, children? Jan Avesta. See here, children. Next, fire temple is their place of worship. Where is place of worship? Fire temple. Zoroastrians respect and worship fire and keep the sacred fire alive. The Zoroastrian religion is founded on the three tenets of good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. The Zoroastrian religion is founded on the three tenets of good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. The village of Woodwada in Gujarat is the holiest place of Parsis. Woodwada in Gujarat. Where is located Woodwada? In Gujarat. Woodwada village located in Gujarat is the holiest place of Parsis. Parsi New Year and the birth anniversary of Zoroaster are some of the Parsi festivals. Okay, children, what are the Parsi festivals? What are the Zoroastrianism festivals? Birth anniversary of Zoroaster and Parsi New Year. Jamshedji Nowroz. Next, and the birth anniversary of Zoroaster, Korat Sal. Are some of the Parsi festivals. Okay, next religion, Judaism. See here, this is a Judaism symbol and Judaism flag. Judaism is one of the oldest religion and originated in Jerusalem, Israel. Where is located Jerusalem, Israel? The followers of this religion are Jews. Jews believe that there is a single God who not only created the universe, but with whom every Jew can have an individual and a personal relationship. Abraham is the father of the Jewish people. Moshe is also an important figure as he gave the Jews the Torah. The Torah contains the laws of God. The place of worship for Jews is Synagogue, Tanakh, the Hebrew Bible. What is called Tanakh, the Hebrew Bible, is the location of Jewish scripture. Synagogue means worship place, Jews worship place, Prarthana Mandiram. Next, Purim, the Jewish New Year, and the Hanukkah are some of the festivals of Jews. See here, children, happy Hanukkah. Okay, Hanukkah, Jewish New Year, are some of the Judaism festivals. Synagogue is a worship place. Tanakh, the Hebrew Bible, Jewish scripture. Next, what is this beautiful structure? Identify lotus. This structure is lotus. This is also place of worship. It is popular known as Lotus Temple. What is this called, children? This is a Lotus Temple, popular known as Lotus Temple. This is the Baha'i house of worship in Delhi. Where is located Lotus Temple? In Delhi. Baha'is are the followers of Baha'i faith founded by Baha'u'llah. This faith believes on oneness of God, oneness of religions, and oneness of humanity. Baha'i temple is a gathering place where people of all religions can worship God silently according to their own beliefs and faith. The mission of the Baha'i religion is the unification of mankind and universal peace. It is a religion without priest and class. It is a religion without priest and class. It considered the whole earth as one country and all mankind as its citizens. It considered the whole earth as one country only and all mankind as its citizens. Where is located Lotus Temple, children? Delhi. Baha'is worship place Lotus Temple. See here, children, Muslims, Hindus, Buddhists, Sikhs, Christians, Jains, Parsis. India, known as the land of spirituality and philosophy, was the birthplace of some of the major religions. About 80% of Indians are Hindus. There is no official religion in India. All religions enjoy equal status and treatment. Okay, children? Look at this picture. What does this picture represent? United we stand. United we stand. This picture represents the spirit of India. Unity in diversity. United we stands. Unity in diversity of our motherland. Be proud to be an Indian. Be proud to be an Indian. Why? Unity in diversity of our motherland. Okay, children, we are all Hindus, Buddhists, Muslims, atheists, Christians, Jews, etc. like it. Okay? In unity in diversity of our motherland. All are equal. Okay, all religions enjoy equal status and treatment. Religion lesson completed, children. Now open your activity books. Okay, children, now I am going to tell you about activity book activities. Open activity book, page number 36. See here, children, religions in India. First activity, join the dots and color Gautam Buddha. Join the dots and color Gautam Buddha. Okay, children, take one sharp pencil, join the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, after color this picture neatly. Next. Okay, children, 37 page, name the festival with the help of the given words. See here, Pongal, Ramjan, Guru Purab, Easter, Paris New Year, Dasara, Christmas, Holi, Diwali, Hanukkah, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir, Jayanti. First picture. Identify this festival, Buddha Purnima. Right here, Buddha Purnima. Next picture, identify Pongal festival, Pongal. Next picture, Mahavir Jayanti. Identify these festivals, children. This is a Ramjan festival. Next, this festival, Dasara festival. Next, Easter eggs, Easter festival. Christian festival, Easter festival. Next, Hanukkah. Next, Judaism festival. Christmas, Christmas festival, Christmas. Paris New Year. Next, Diwali, Diwali festival, Holi festival, Guru Purab festival. Write neatly, children. Already names given the words in these boxes. Next, page number 38 activity, children. Paste the stickers of the symbol of each religion. Children, these stickers given in this book last page. Last page, already given these stickers in this last page. Collect the stickers and paste here. Hinduism, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, Baha'ism. Next, match the following. See here, children. Goddess Lakshmi, wealth. Draw the line. Next, God Shiva, destroy. Draw the line. Next, Goddess Saraswati, learning. Next, God Vishnu, preserver. Brahma, creator. Kanakadurga, strength. Next, page number 39, children. The religions are numbered here. Observe the scripture, place of worship and put the related number. First one, Hinduism, Islam. Number 1, Hinduism. Number 2, Islam. Number 3, Christianity. Number 4, Sikhism. Number 5, Buddhism. Number 6, Jainism. Number 7, Zoroastrianism. Number 8, Judaism. Number 9, Baha'ism. Okay, children. First one, see here, this is a temple. Hinduism, worship place, temple. Right here, 1. Next, see here, children. Jan Avesta, scripture. Number 7, Zoroastrianism, scripture book. Next, synagogue, Judaism, worship place. Next, Quran, Islam, scripture. Next, worship place, Golden Temple. Sikhism, number 4, Tanakh, scripture, holy book. What is this? Number 8, Judaism, Holy Bible, Christianity. Right here, number 3. Next, number 5, Buddhism, temple. Next, right here, number 9, Lotus temple. Baha'ism, worship place, Sri Guru Granth Sahib. Number 4, Sikhism, scripture. Next, number 1, Ramayana. Hinduism, scripture, Mahabharatam. Next, church. Number 3, Christians, worship place. Next, Tripitaka. Number 5, Buddhism, scripture. Next, number 6, right here, number 6, Jainism, temple. Next, number 2, Islam, worship place, mosque. Next, Kalpa Sutra. Right here, number 6, Jainism, scripture. Okay, children. Match the religions. See here, Jesus Christ, Christianity. Kaaba, Islam. Next, holiest place, Islam. Next, Hindu's festival, Vinayaka Chauthi, Hinduism. See here, Gautam Buddha, Buddhism. Next, Sikhism, Guru Granth Sahib, Guru Gobind Singh, Sikhism, Jainism, Digambara. Next activity, children. Percentage of religions in India are shown in this pie chart. Furnish the required data from this chart in the given table. See here, Sikhism, Christianity, others, Islam, Hinduism. Religion place of according to percentage followers are called. Christianity in India 2.5%, Christianity 2.5%, 2.5, right here 2.5% Christians. Next, Sikhism 1.5%, Sikhs, right here 1.5% Sikhs. Next, Hinduism 80% Hindus, right here 80%, right here 80% Hindus. Islam 15%, right here Islam 15%, 15% Muslims. Christians, Sikhs, Hindus, Muslims. Okay, children. Activity book term 1, religions in India completed. Okay, children. Thank you. I will meet in the next class. Okay, children. Now I am going to tell you about workbook exercises. Open page number 36. religions in India workbook. See here children, answer the following questions from the given data. India's population by religion, for every 1000 Indians, 798 are Hindus, 142 are Muslims, 23 are Christians, 17 are Sikhs, 7 are Buddhists, 4 are Jains, 7 are others, 2 do not like to disclose. First question. Whose population is the largest? Hindus. Hindus population is the largest. Second one. What is the percentage of Muslims? 14.2 percentage. Who makes 0.4 percentage of Indians population? Jains. Mention the names of religions in our country. Hinduism, Islam, 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 Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, Baha'ism. Okay children, next page. What do these words of Islam means? Allah, Allah God, namaz, worship, Kaaba, holiest place, Ramjan, festival, Quran, scripture, mosque, place of worship, Medina, sacred place, Bakrid, festival. Next one, write the equivalent word to the given word in these two religions. Write the equivalent word to the given word in these two religions. Sikhism, Buddhism. Guru Nanak, Gautam, Buddha. Sikhs, Buddhist. Guru Granth Sahib, Tripitika. Next, Golden Temple, Vihara, Amritsar, Yangon in Burma. Guru Purab, Buddha Purnima. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the way of life of a group of people. Culture. In India, Zoroastrians are called Parsis. According to Hindus, Dash is the creator, Brahma. Gomadeshwaram is known as Bahubali. Dash of Delhi is the largest mosque in India, Jama Masjid. JAMA, Jama Masjid. Siddhartha attained enlightenment in Dash. Siddhartha attained enlightenment in Gaya, GAYA. Dash is the largest religion in the world, Christianity. Next, fill in the boxes with suitable information related to the given symbol. Famous temple, holy scripture, gods, festivals. Somanath temple, Badrinath temple, Rameshwaran temple, Konark, Varanasi, Kailash Mansarovara. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita. Hindu gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Festival, Pongal, Holi, Mahasivaratri, Dashera, Diwali, Ganesh, Chaturthi. Children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book. Complete the table given below. Symbol, Hinduism. Religion, Hinduism. Founder, hyphen. Place of worship, temple. Holy book, the Bhagavad Gita. Next one, identify the symbol, Islam. Prophet, Muhammad. Place of worship, mosque. Holy book, Quran. Christianity, Jesus Christ. Church, Bible. Sikhism, Guru Nanak. Gurudwara, Guru Granth Sahib. Next, Buddhism, Gautam Buddha, Vihara, Tripitika. Jainism, Mahavira, Jain Temple, Kalpasutra. Zoroastrianism, Zoroaster, Fire Temple, Zend Avesta. Next, Judaism, not founder, hyphen, Synagogue, Tanakh. Baha'i, Bahula Lotus Temple. Okay children, next festivals. Hindu festival Pongal, Muslim festival Ramzan, Christian festival Christmas, Sikkim festival Guru Purab, Buddhism festival Buddha Purnima, Jains festival Mahavir Jayanti, Next Zoroastrians festival Parsi New Year, Judaism festival Hanukkah. Okay, these are festivals. Now holy places. Hindus holy place Varanasi, followers called Hindus. Muslims holy place Makkah, followers Muslims. Christians holy place Jerusalem and Bethlehem, followers Christians. Sikhs holy place Golden Temple, followers Sikhs. Next, Buddhist holy place Gaya, followers Buddhist. Jains holy place Dilwar Temple, followers Jains. Zoroastrians holy place Udvada, Zoroastrians. Next, Judaism holy place Jerusalem, Israel, Jews. Okay children, this table completed, write neatly. If you have any doubt, check one's course book. Turn the page. Whose birthplace are these? Makkah, Prophet Muhammad. Bethlehem, Jesus Christ. Lumbini, Buddha. Identify these places. Amarnath, Makkah, Golden Temple. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Dilwar temples are the famous Jewish temples. False. Guru Gobind Singh is the last Guru of Sikhs. True. There is no official religion in India. True. Udvada is the holiest place for Christians. False. Hinduism is the oldest religion in the world. True. False, true, true, false, true. Next, match the following. Buddhism, Islam, Sikh, Parsi, Bahi. Disciple, Nirvana, Scarified, Oneness, Peace. Buddhism, Nirvana. Next, Islam, Peace. Sikh, Disciple, Parsis. Scarified, Baha'i, Oneness. 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. Answer the following question. What is religion? Religion is a set of beliefs and practice to worship a superhuman controlling power, the supreme being of deity. Okay children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book page numbers. Name any 3 famous advocates of Hinduism. Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Vivekananda. Next, who are Catholics and Protestants? Catholics are the Christians who recognize the authority of people as their supreme religious leader. Those who do not recognize the authority of Pope are called Protestants. Next, why and how do the Jains care for small creatures? Jains believe in non-violence, so they care even for small creatures by wearing masks over their face to prevent inhaling of any small insects, and they sweep the floor to prevent stepping on any insects. Children, if you have any doubt in this writing, check one's course book Jainism. Okay children. Third question, check one's Christianity. Okay children. 1 2 questions, check once. First 2 pages. In this lesson, first 2 pages. Next, what are the 3 tenets Zoroastrian's religion? Zoroastrian religion's good thoughts, good words, good deeds. What do you know about yoga? Explain briefly. This picture are already given in course book. If you have any doubt, check one's course book. Hindus believe in yoga and meditation for their physical, mental and spiritual health. Okay children, physical, mental and spiritual health. Last one, write about any festival you celebrate in briefly. Your choice children, any one festival write here. Okay. 7th question, your choice, write here your favorite festival briefly. Okay children, these question and answers, any doubts, check one's course book children. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.